Okay, the next exercise that we are going to do is animating the letters. Let's see. I have left it over here for you. I have dropped only 2 letters. Rest of the letters you will do on your own. And instead of scratch, you will take your own name or any name in your family, any name of the member of your family. So how to do that? Let's go to the new file. Because we don't want this cat over there, so just delete this sprite and choose the backdrop. I had chosen this one, and then one more backdrop I had taken. This one. Now I'm going to rename them. This one I don't want, so I'm deleting it. And if you want to name, you can name it from here. I'm leaving it like that. Now next is we're going to choose the sprites. Now our sprites are letters this time, so I'm just clicking on letters and then I am taking the spellings of scratch. So first is S and next again letters C. You can arrange them. Take them one by one. Next we have is T. Next one C. And the last is left, which is H. Now what I just want that when I click on this flag, they should appear one by one. So first of all, they should be hidden. So I'll start with S first. Take the event. When clicked, what do you want? You want this letter to be hidden. So go to looks and drag hide. Now when you are hiding, you have to show it as well. So I'm just dragging it right now and I'll wait for 1 second and then I'm going to show it. Okay, let's see. So when I click on this flag, H letter is going and appearing. So what I can do, I want this animation to go for S. So what I'll do, I'll just drag it and then I'll put it over here until unless this box shivers. It means this is being copied over here as well. Now I am going to delete this because I didn't mean it, or I'll change it later on. So right now I'm deleting it. Just drag it over here. It will be deleted. Then let's start again. So 1 second it was not there. After 1 second it appears. Same code I can apply to all the letters. Now if you want this letter to change the color, so and that is forever, you just drag this over here forever and go to looks, change color effect by 25. Now let's see what will happen. Okay. Now you can also take the random variable over here if you want, and then 1 to 25. This way. Now the same code can be applied to each and every letter. But what will be the change? Let's see. I'll drag this whole code to C. Now click on C and just see what will happen. Both of them are disappearing at the same time. So you have to change the timing. So first S is disappearing, then C. So you just increase the time over here by 1 second. Let's see. Okay, same way you are going to do it with each and every letter. Change the timing. Over here it is going to be 3 seconds. Then we'll drag it to A and it will be 4. This is going to be 5. This is going to be 6. And we are left with the last letter H, which is going to be 7. Now let's start again. So they will appear one by one and the color effect will be there in all of them. So this is one of the animation. Now after these 9 seconds, I just want to switch back to the next backdrop. So I'll click on the backdrop. And then I'll click on code. Make sure that you have selected the first one, code. And take the event when clicked. Before switching to the second backdrop, it has to wait for at least 10 seconds. So bring the wait block here and change the timing to 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you want the backdrop to switch, which is in looks. Switch backdrop to stage or theater. Let's see. Okay. Now if I click on this flag again, our letters are appearing over here. But what do you want? You want the very first backdrop. So you have to drag the code, write the code for that. When you click on this, which backdrop you want? The first one. So switch backdrop to blue sky. So we started with the blue sky. Then our letters are appearing one by one. It will wait for 10 seconds and then it will go to the second backdrop. Now after this, my letters were going down. So if this letter is going down, it is going to be near 90 degrees. So every letter is nearly about this. So how can I do this? How can I make this letter fall up to here? It has to sense minus 90. Stop this. Now I want that when clicked, after 10 seconds, after 11 seconds you can say, after 11 seconds when this backdrop appears, this letter should start falling. So after 11 seconds, just bring it down. It will wait for 11 seconds. It is going to move down. So you have to decrease the y-axis. If you are decreasing the value vertically, it is the value of y which is decreasing. And you want this this fall until it reaches minus 90, which is y minus 90. So repeat until, take the operator, y is equal to minus 90. Change the value to minus 90. And y coordinate, y position, and then you have to decrease the y axis. Change y by negative value, that is minus 10. So let's see. Okay, the same code you are going to apply on Scratch as well, C as well. But let's see, there is one more thing we have to do. See, our letter S is over here. It should be here when we start this animation again. So just drag it over here, and when you click go to motion, the position should be this one. Okay, test. Going down. Now I'm clicking again, so this letter again appears here. So you can see this same code is going to apply on each and every letter. So what I'm going to do, first I'm dragging it here, C, then I'm clicking on C. If it goes to that corner, just click on this to decrease the size and just bring it over here, then you can increase the size, zoom size, and you can also do this. And now increase the size. Now when clicked, it will wait for one more second, that is 11 plus 1, 12. And again you have to do that when it moves to the first backdrop, the position should be here. So go to, right now the position of C is minus 20 and 135. So let's see. Okay, this way you have to do it with each and every letter. Now let's play again. Yes. I can also add the sounds over here. When when these letters are falling down, I can add a pop sound over here. So for adding the pop sound, what I'll do, just go to S. I can add the pop sound over here after waiting 11 seconds, and when it starts falling, I can add the pop sound here. So go to sound, and if it is not here, go here and go to the sound gallery, search for the sound. I just want the pop sound which is here. Okay, and then I can bring it in the code. After 11 seconds, it will start the pop sound, this one. Maybe you will not be able to hear this sound, but you just code it in your own animation and then you will be able to hear. Same sound I can apply to C, R, A, T, C, H, everything. And if you want to change the position of C, you can do that. It is going to be, just look what is the position. It is minus 105. So you can change it to nearly minus 100.